Good morning. Next one?
Well, kind of too late.
Go ahead and pull the shirt on. Hold this for me. I gotta take my sunglasses off. I mean, my reading glasses. I wonder where I can't see. Oh, my glasses are on. I can't see far, but I can't see far, but I can't see.
Well, why don't you get some glasses that are graded like what I have? It's nice.
No, it's a pain.
You never have to worry about anything. You just use the readers in the house.
I can see fine after about 15 feet.
Well, I mean...
I can see golf balls that are 300 yards away, okay?
I can see 20/20 with my left eye, and I guess my right eye is... Or maybe it's the other way around.
Don't tell me how to ski.
I'm not telling you how to ski.
Oh, sorry. That's what you said to me yesterday.
Yeah, because you're like, oh...
You're so great! You're getting tired of overturning.
I'm tired. Why do you have to... This is what the kids hate about you.
No, that means I was...
It's not elicited. Sometimes you need to, like, keep your mouth shut.
I thought I was asking if you want to go home. That's what I said. And then...
No, you didn't. You're all like...
That was the message. You're getting tired. We're getting tired.
You didn't say that. You just said you're overturning.
That's an implication that you're tired. Oh, yeah, let's stop. Okay, I would have said. Jesus Christ. You don't think ahead here. Chess. I'm going to teach you. We're going to start a new hobby with you. Chess. That way you can learn to think 3 moves ahead. You have the capacity.
I was already thinking about it.
I know. It just
I know more about training and stuff than you do.
I didn't say about training. I said chess.
Fine. I don't know that much about chess. But what I'm saying is I know what my body is doing. I knew I was
We're going to play chess as a new hobby.
That didn't mean I was going to stop.
That's what I know.
Why do you think I put the chess set out in the living room? I'm way ahead of you, boy.
Okay, that's a good point. I thought it was just, that thing's not a chess set. That's like a Halloween decoration.
No, but it's a chess set.
I know what it is, but it's like, they're like little Mexican ladies, and for a while there I thought the queen was you. That's just giving me nightmares, man.
Like George's mom.
Exactly. Ah! The doll. Castanja. I wonder if this thing records. This thing would be funny as hell if we can record voice. Because then that way we can catch all the idiots that we see each other. I don't think we can record voice because I have on the waterproof container. Maybe I'll wear one without the waterproof container and play golf with those guys and say, look, I'm going to play golf with this thing on so we can see what our comments are.
You don't want a little thing on top of your head.
No, I'm wearing a golf hat. Oh, now?
Well, that's what a lot of people have. I'm just saying.
No, it's too jiggery. The body doesn't turn nearly as much as the head, so...
Right.
And it shows you if I'm skiing. The way I looked at it, too, is that if I'm skiing, I want to make sure my body's pointing to where I want to go, and I was trying to look for some of that stuff that I did that was pretty quick, because I bombed, didn't I bomb like... Man, that's such a perfect thing. Go and hang out at the spa, go to sleep over here. It feels like a home. We can watch a couple of episodes of something, Frankie and Grace. Yesterday I had 2,400 calories with all the cookies. And the leftovers.
How many cookies did you have?
I had what we had, and then I had another Girl Scout cookie. They're small. Those cookies are only about 70 calories a piece.
Well, you're talking because you had all the chicharron and the big tater tot balls.
The chicharron, I looked them up.
They're not that bad.
They're not that bad. That's what I told you. There's mainly protein that's been deep fried. That's the only problem is the oil. If you can figure out how to make chicharron without frying it, which I don't know how.
Maybe you could just zap them in like air.
Yeah, I don't like it like that. Well, we can try it. It may be good still. But...
No, I'm not going to try it. You try it. It's your deal. I'm not going to eat that.
I ate your little, what do you call that, Buddha wrap. That was good,
though. I don't care. That doesn't mean I'm going to, like, start eating a lot of animal products.
You just want to live forever.
I don't. I just feel better if I'm not eating tons of animal I do like carbs. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna start eating pork skin.
You look better with if you eat fat.
I do eat fat.
You look better if you're fat.
I am fat.
Tur.
I'm still fat. No, I
Tur.
don't.
Where's the old Anna that I used to like waste at all the physical activities?
Well, no, those 2 half days have made it much easier for me to exercise.
Your life is better, isn't it? If you can make 10 years of that, we'll have a
Like
life.
to make me older than I am. Your 80th birthday, Felicia!
I'll be proud then. I can cash out my retirement.
I'm taking it all.
I'm taking it all and buying a sailboat. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna go up to set it on heading of 270, and first line it lands, I'll stay there or die. Come join me. We just have to accept the rain.
I don't know what he was thinking.
Ah, he had a brain fart. You gotta use the bathroom here or upstairs?
I need to move around a little bit more.
Okay, let's go to.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. Oh, we're lucky. Whee! Yeah, that's what we did. Okay. Exactly. Let me try that too. So what is it called? Workout?
We're going to take your pulse.
I got 'em. So here, right?
Not that
Oh,
one.
activity.
The yellow
There one. Yellow
The
one.
little yellow app. The separate app.
You see it? I can't see because I need my glasses now.
Maybe I can help you find a thing that you can do.
I can do that. Oh, there it is. Is that it? Wallet. What is that one? Yellow?
Walkie-talkie.
That one? No.
That's it, that greenish yellow
This
one.
one?
That one, workout. That's it. Now you have to go hunting for it. It's in like other workouts. Scroll to the bottom of it. And it's in the D screen. Going.
Dancing. So is that swimming?
Now see it says add a workout at the bottom?
Yeah.
Click on that and keep scrolling through all that stuff until you get to the alpha size.
Which I can't see. Is that skiing right there?
No, keep going. Scrolling, keep going.
Boxing.
You have to go to the D's.
Where am I now? I don't know where I am. Golf.
Okay, go back up then.
Fishing.
Fencing, you're gonna. Okay. Elliptical, keep going up. There it is. Downhill skiing, you missed it. Right there. Okay. Okay. It's going now. Let's see how many calories we get.
Jesus. This really helps by keeping your knuckles warm.
Yeah.
The
Well, I
blood.
don't have my jacket on and has the extra little thing that helps. I'm debating whether I should get these gloves in a medium so I can wear the liner with them. It's
I love these gloves. If you ever see these on sale again,
what's on sale?
buy me a backup of these.
Okay, well, I'll look.
These are that wool thing,
I
right?
go to REI on Monday.
What is this called? Wool?